ढोका खोल्नुहोस्. Open the door. Open the door. ढोका खोल्नुहोस्. Open the door. ढोका बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Close the door. Close the door. ढोका बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Close the door. ढोका राम्रोसँग बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Close the door properly. Close the door properly. ढोका राम्रोसँग बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Close the door properly. ढोका थोरै खुल्ला राख्नुहोस्. Keep the door ajar. Keep the door ajar. ढोका थोरै खुल्ला राख्नुहोस्. Keep the door ajar वा leave the door ajar. Leave the door ajar. ढोका थोरै खुल्ला राख्नुहोस्. यो उहाँको घर हो. This is his house. This is his house. यो उहाँको घर हो. This is his house. त्यो मेरो फोन हो. That is my phone. That is my phone. त्यो मेरो फोन हो. That is my phone. गएर पढाइ गर. Go and study. Go and study. गएर पढाइ गर. Go and study. बिस्तारै खानुहोस्. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. बिस्तारै खानुहोस्. Eat slowly. भित्र आउनुहोस्. Come on in. Come on in. भित्र आउनुहोस्. Come on in. यो आवश्यक छ. It is essential. It is essential. यो आवश्यक छ. It is essential. मेहनतले पढाइ गर. Study hard. Study hard. मेहनतले पढाइ गर. Study hard. छिट्टै फेरि भेटौला. See you soon. See you soon. छिट्टै फेरि भेटौला. See you soon. भगवानलाई धन्यवाद छ. Thank God. Thank God. भगवानलाई धन्यवाद छ. Thank God. एक मिनेट रोक्नुहोस्. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एक मिनेट रोक्नुहोस्. Wait a minute. यो मात्र सुरुवात हो. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. यो मात्र सुरुवात हो. This is just the beginning. यो कुनै ठुलो कुरा होइन. It is no big deal. It is no big deal. यो कुनै ठुलो कुरा होइन. It is no big deal. यहाँ पर्खनुहोस्. Wait here. Wait here. यहाँ पर्खनुहोस्. Wait here. हामी खतरामा छौँ. We are in danger. We are in danger. हामी खतरामा छौँ. We are in danger. हामी यहाँ सुरक्षित छौँ. We are safe here. We are safe here. हामी यहाँ सुरक्षित छौँ. We are safe here. मलाई सम्झना छ. I remember. I remember. मलाई सम्झना छ. I remember. मलाई तिमी सम्झना छौ. I remember you. I remember you. मलाई तिमी सम्झना छौ. I remember you. तपाईलाई थाहा छैन. You have no idea. You have no idea. तपाईलाई थाहा छैन. You have no idea. गोली नचलाउनुस्. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. गोली नचलाउनुस्. Don't shoot. बन्दुक तल राख्नुस्. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. बन्दुक तल राख्नुस्. Put the gun down. यसलाई उठाउनुस्. Pick it up. Pick it up. यसलाई उठाउनुस्. Pick it up. ल जाउँ. Let's go. Let's go. ल जाउँ. Let's go. ल सुरु गरौँ. Let's get started. Let's get started. ल सुरु गरौँ. Let's get started. उहाँलाई व्यस्त राख्नुस्. Keep him busy. Keep him busy. उहाँलाई व्यस्त राख्नुस्. Keep him busy. त्यसलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. त्यसलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch that. यसलाई बन्द गर्नुस्. Shut it down. Shut it down. यसलाई बन्द गर्नुस्. Shut it down. यस बीचमा. In the meantime. In the meantime. यस बीचमा. In the meantime. सास बाहिर फाल्नुस्. Breathe out. Breathe out. सास बाहिर फाल्नुस्. Breathe out. सास भित्र लिनुस्. Breathe in. Breathe in. सास भित्र लिनुस्. Breathe in. यो कुनै कामको छैन. It is useless. It is useless. यो कुनै कामको छैन. It is useless. यो तपाईँले सुरु गर्नुभयो. You started it. You started it. यो तपाईँले सुरु गर्नुभयो. You started it. तपाईँ चिन्तित देखिनुहुन्छ. You look nervous. You look nervous. तपाईँ चिन्तित देखिनुहुन्छ. You look nervous. तपाईँ अद्भुत देखिनुहुन्छ. You look amazing. You look amazing. तपाईँ अद्भुत देखिनुहुन्छ. You look amazing. उहाँ खुसी हुनुहुन्छ. He is happy. He is happy. उहाँ खुसी हुनुहुन्छ. He is happy. म जान सक्दैन. I can't go. I can't go. म जान सक्दैन. I can't go. उहाँ दुखी हुनुहुन्छ. He is sad. He is sad. उहाँ दुखी हुनुहुन्छ. He is sad. ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Don't be late. Don't be late. ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Don't be late. ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. यो धेरै ठुलो छ. It is too big. It is too big. यो धेरै ठुलो छ. It is too big. तपाईँ सही हुनुहुन्थ्यो. You were right. You were right. तपाईँ सही हुनुहुन्थ्यो. You were right. तिमी गलत थियौ. You were wrong. You were wrong. तिमी गलत थियौ. You were wrong. नलजाउनुस्. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. नलजाउनुस्. Don't be shy. उहाँलाई सोध्नुहोस्. Ask him. Ask him. उहाँलाई सोध्नुहोस्. Ask him. उहाँलाई सोध्नुहोस्. Ask him. उहाँसँग कुरा गर्नुहोस्. Talk to him. Talk to him. उहाँसँग कुरा गर्नुहोस्. Talk to him. मलाई नसोध्नुहोस्. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. मलाई नसोध्नुहोस्. Don't ask me. कसेर समात्नुहोस्. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. कसेर समात्नुहोस्. Hold on tight. मैले कोसिस गरेँ. I tried. I tried. मैले कोसिस गरेँ. I tried. उसले पनि कोसिस गर्यो. He also tried. He also tried. उसले पनि कोसिस गर्यो. He also tried. यो ज्यादै खतरनाक छ. It is too dangerous. It is too dangerous. यो ज्यादै खतरनाक छ. It is too dangerous. अथवा it is very dangerous. यो ज्यादै खतरनाक छ. It is very dangerous or it is too dangerous. यो ज्यादै खतरनाक छ. यसको बारेमा सोच्नुहोस्. Think about it. Think about it. यसको बारेमा सोच्नुहोस्. Think about it. नबिर्सनुहोस्. Don't forget. Don't forget. नबिर्सनुहोस्. Don't forget.